NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube Shorts video from your PS4 Sharefactory video. The first important thing to say is that Sharefactory doesn't have the capability to make a Shorts video, but we can make the video on Sharefactory and then convert it using free software on a PC or a mobile phone. This video will show you how to convert the video on a PC, but if you don't have a PC, then one of my next videos will show you how to convert it for free on your mobile phone. So I've got you covered either way. Link to the mobile phone tutorial will be in the description within 1 week of this video being uploaded, so check it out if you prefer to use a mobile phone to a PC. For more Sharefactory tutorials, PS4 videos and YouTube channel improvement help, then please do subscribe and support the channel by using support or creator code NoMoreNoobie in the item shop. Thank you, it means a lot. So let's get straight into it. So in order for YouTube to recognize your video as a Shorts video, it does need to be 60 seconds or less. I would suggest aiming for 58 seconds or less. It should be square or vertical aspect ratio, 9:16 vertical aspect ratio, and it should have hashtag Shorts in the title, and I'm putting it in the description as well. So starting at the very beginning, we've got our Sharefactory video here, and we just checked everything is okay, and the main thing is that the video is 60 seconds or less in length. Once we're happy with that, we can push the options button on the controller and go to export to gallery. When it does that, it gives us options of sharing or share later, and we're going to do the first option, which is save to PC using a USB. So we need to go to share later on this option here, and then we can come out of Sharefactory and we want to go to capture gallery on the main menu, and we want to put a USB stick into the PS4. And then when you've done that, you find the video that you've just saved and you want to push the options button on the controller, and that brings up this menu, so we can go to copy to USB storage device and then just confirm by clicking copy here, and that's going to save the video onto the USB, and it tells you on these folders which folder it's going to be stored on your USB, so make note of that. When it's finished uploading, then you can just leave Sharefactory, take the USB stick out of the PS4 and put it into your PC, and then we can go to this website on the internet called Kapwing. So Kapwing does have some paid options, but it also has this free option which has no watermarks as long as you signed in, and there are a few restrictions, but for what we need to do for our shorts, it's absolutely fine. So all you need to do is sign yourself in, and then you can go up to workspaces up here and you can start making your videos. So if you click on the button there, it says click to upload, so we can find our video on our USB that we've just uploaded to it. And so you click on USB, find the PS4 folder, go to share and go to video clips, and then we can just find our video here, which is this one there, and that is how we can upload the video onto Kapwing using a USB. So if you've been using a USB stick, then you're ready to start editing your video. So I'll put a time on the screen now for you to jump ahead to the editing part of the tutorial. But for the moment, we're going to go back to the option 2, which was for those people that don't have a USB stick. And you remember where we uploaded our video from Sharefactory, we had the option of share or share later. This time we want to click share because we won't have a USB stick to put it onto. So we want to share and we want to upload it to YouTube. So we're going to click on YouTube, and we're going to follow the steps you normally would do when you upload to YouTube. We're going to click privacy and put unlisted, and then we're just going to put share from there, and then that's going to upload it to YouTube. So we can leave Sharefactory and go back to our PC, and you see this box here, we can paste the YouTube address into that box on Kapwing. So if we go to our YouTube clip that we've uploaded, and you see these 3 little dots, we click on there and then go to view on YouTube, and it's going to show our video as it would be on YouTube. Even though it's not live yet, it's going to show us how it would look on YouTube as it is. So what we can do is click on share, which is just underneath the actual video itself, and then copy this address, which is the video address, and then we can just paste it into Kapwing, and that's going to upload the video from YouTube to the actual Kapwing website for us to then edit. In terms of the layout of Kapwing, it's nice and straightforward. You've got the main video playing in the middle of the screen, and then to the left you've got various options for adding images and text and different things, and these are all your clips down the left hand side as well. At the bottom is the actual video that you've got playing, and you've got the play and pause button at the bottom there as well. And then at the top right, this is some more editing tools that you can have. If you can see here, it says export quality, standard or high. If you click on high, unfortunately it won't let you do it because you need the paid version for that. And if you click outside the main video screen or inside the main video screen, it changes the editing options on the right hand side. And then you can choose obviously the aspect ratio from there. If you find that you haven't got that as an option, then just click outside the box or inside the box and it changes between the editing options on that right hand column. Okay, so we're ready to start editing the clip, and what we need to do, because we're changing it to a vertical video, it means that not all areas of the screen are going to be shown at the same time. So what we need to do is go along the video and find the bits where the area of interest changes from left, middle or right, and each time there's a change we need to split the clip. Same as in Sharefactory, you move along until you get to where you want to split it. You click the split button that we've just clicked there, or you can right click or just push S on the keyboard, I believe, and then just move it along again until it changes again. So you see the area of interest here is a little bit more to the left of the screen, and we keep going until that changes across towards the middle. And once we got it roughly where it's about to change, we split it again, and that creates a little clip there that we can then use. So if we click on that little clip and then we go up here and we go to where it's canvas and then we go by 9:16, and then that changes it. So you can see when we are on that clip that the area of focus is what we want to be seeing. So if it's not quite right and it's not showing the bits we want to do, then you can't just drag it across like that. Unfortunately, it just moves the screen. What we need to do is go across to crop on the right hand side, and it just replays that clip over and over again until you got it right. So we need to click on 9:16 again because it changes it, and we can move the screen backwards and forwards, left or right, to get it to how we want it. And then once we're happy with it, we just move it back into place using the bottom right hand corner to stretch it into the whole screen again. And we just literally need to repeat that every time we need to change the focus. So you can see here we'll split it again because the screen needs to be more to the left, so we need to change that again. So what we do is just split it, and then we can click on that and then go to crop again, and then 9:16, and then we can move it across, and it just keeps on replaying so we can see this bit in the screen. And then you just done cropping, click the button each time, and you just repeat that throughout the whole of your video. Obviously it's only a 1-minute clip, so it's not going to take too long, but you just keep repeating that so that the whole video makes sense and plays correctly for you. So you may be finished here and think, yeah, that's all I need to do on my video. So you can just go ahead and start uploading it to YouTube if you want to, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. But beforehand, there's actually some things you could do, like adding text to your video. So what you can do is click on add large text or any kind of text that you want to there. And then all you do is just move the box to wherever you want, where it's got this sample box that comes up, and then just type in whatever text you want to have on your video. For me, I'm actually going to use this as a thumbnail as well. So what you can do is just click on it and type in whatever you want to show on your video, and then you can change that text and you can make it bigger and add bold and different things. And the way you do that is you can move it up and down using the cursor, but what you can do is go across to the right hand side where it's got animation and effects and timing. The timing's really useful because you can change when it starts and finishes if you want to put a specific time. So that's really handy to do as well. So you can just change that about. And then once you've done that, you've also got the options where you go back to edit. If you can't see it, you can just move the timer along on the video a little bit to move it so you can see it a bit better. You can change it to bold, italic, center it, align it, and different things. You've got the text colors there, and you can just put an outline on the outside if you want to as well, so you can change it about and change the colors for that as well. All really straightforward. Here you can put a background as well, I believe, so you can just click on here, choose a color that you like the look of, and then that will put a background behind the text as well. So that's really nice and straightforward. Again, you can change the colors to whatever you want it to be using the charts here. There are loads of other things to add down the left hand side if you want to, but I'm going to leave it as it is now. So I'm going to go to export video at the top right hand corner and export as MP4, and that's going to export our video, everything we've done there, and it's going to add it to the downloads folder on your PC. So all you need to do is once it has finished downloading, you go onto your PC and find the downloads folder, and you'll find that it's sat there as your most recent downloaded video, which is this one here. Now it doesn't make much sense with the way it's titled it, so we're just going to change that. So we just right click on it and go to rename, and then change it to whatever you want the title of the video to be, and confirm. Once you've done that, it's sat there ready for us to upload it. So what we can do is go into YouTube, go to create in the top right hand corner, go to upload videos, and then we can click on the videos there, go to the download folder, click on the video we've just renamed, and that is going to upload it to your YouTube, and the rest is pretty straightforward from there. You do all the changes that you normally would with your title and your playlists and your description and all the sort of stuff that you always have to do. If you're not familiar with all that, check out my How to Grow With Me series videos, because they'll help with understanding all the things to do to help grow your channel using descriptions and different things on there. Once you've done it all, then you can add a thumbnail. So what you can do is go to this part here where it says upload a thumbnail, and you can use a thumbnail that you've already got available. If you've already made one in Sharefactory, for example, I made a couple to choose from, so I'm just going to click on that one, and there you go, it's slotted in as a thumbnail for us to use there. I might make a specific video on thumbnails, and if I do, I'll put it in the description for you. And then once you're ready, you can push save from there. Now it is still unlisted for us here, so if you wanted to, you could then go down to where it says save or publish, and you could click on public and then done, and then that will make it public once you've pushed the save button at the top of the screen. I'm not going to upload it because this is one I've already done, but this is the video as it is on YouTube as a live video, and I think it worked out really well. So I hope that has been of use to you. Hopefully it will help you know how to make YouTube shorts from Sharefactory. It's frustrating you can't do it on Sharefactory, but I hope this is giving you an option. It's a free option as well, and do check out the mobile version, which I'll upload in the next week. Thanks very much, and bye.